Goatgoldgetter here. Just panning for some gold here. I got quite a bit today. I gotta get myself a stick for my phone so I can use two hands, because this is hard. Okay, let's do a rough check here, see if there's anything. I seen a little tiny thing, but it disappeared on me. Oh, there's some gold. There's one right there. One right there. One right there. There's probably more. That was just my... But then I go like this, so you see the ridges, but I use this part because it's faster. And technically, you just gotta watch the corners if anything goes out of that. Yeah, okay, there you go, look at that. Yeah. Lots of garnets.